You the birthday, you the birthday, you the birthday. What does that even mean? These kids is dumb as hell. They dumb as hell. Make it make sense. You the birthday. Okay, I get it. Oh, you the shit. You the... Why can't you just say you the shit? These kids come up with the dumbest phrases I have ever heard in my life. You gonna say some shit, make it make sense. You the millionaire, you the billionaire, you the trillionaire, because, yeah, speak it into existence. Don't just say no stupid shit. You the birthday. I don't want to be the birthday. No, because y'all just talking at this point. If I'm the birthday, where the funds? Where the gift cards? Where the invitation out to eat? Where the vacation? I don't want to just be the birthday. I don't want to be the shit. I want more than that. I don't want to be the birthday. I want to be the millionaire. I want to be the trillionaire. I want to be the... Yeah. No. Please stop with the stupid shit. Please stop. Because it don't make sense. And I'm sick of hearing it. No, don't make me the birthday. Make me the funds. You the gas. It's on you. You the gas. You the groceries. You the Stanley. Huh? What are we even talking about? This generation is fucked.